Namaskar, my name is Bhagyashree Tripathi. I read in class 8. My school name is Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Adimata Colony, Mancheshwar in Bhubaneswar. Today I will talk about is the smartphone needs for children. With the rise of smartphone technology, many parents letting their children use their smartphones. While they seem to be harmless, the benefits of letting children use smartphones can have an impact on a child's development. Children used to spend their free time playing with outdoor friends. This is where children learn to interact with others. They made friends and used their imagination to have fun. Children did not require device to stay entertained. They had to have fun with others. With the availability of smartphone, children are becoming familiar with them at a very early age. This leads parents they feel like they can cause their children to have social problem by using the device of too much or to be harsh for not using smart devices. This leads some parents in between a rock and a hard place. Smartphone provide children for socially interacting. Children who use their parents' smartphone uh, for playing games miss out on an opportunity to interact with others. Children can become addicted to the games. This can cause problems in life later when they need social skills. Later in life when they need social skills. According to an article by Nina Pilapil, they are designed for children can keep them from social interactions. Interactions. Parents should limit their children's they spend on a smartphones and encourage them to play with others friends instead. While exposure to smartphones is not necessarily a bad thing in small doses, it should be limited and monitored. Mobile phones are safe for children to use. We should ignore scare story in the media. Many suggested there might be a problem, thought that children would have to use a smartphone for hours a day. For there to be an effect, it is have that total 100% proof, not 100% proof, they are safe to be used. But that is true of any scientific study. There are possible long-term health risks from using smartphone. Some researchers suggest that the radio waves from smartphone many harms child's brains because children's brains are still developing. Any possible damage to them is even more worry than from adults. It is true there is no total scientific proof about this, but it is better to play safe than take risks. The precautionary principle. Until science can prove smartphones are completely safe for children to use, they should not be allowed to them. Namaskar.